So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So now my voice is audible, right? Hello. Yeah, okay. Is there any background noise for the is there any background noise? Is everything is okay? Is there any background noise or else is there any yeah, just a minute, brother. All good, right? I'll share the link in the groups. Just a minute. My voice is audible, everyone? Could you please respond in the chat? No, it's clear. Okay, fine. Just a minute. I'll share the uh, link in the group. And meanwhile, you just prepare your interview one by one. I'll into the Google Meet. Okay, you can give me the 1 minute of self introduction. I'll give you the feedback, and also in the chat box, everyone give the feedback for the candidate, and that candidate will be like some confidence towards the self introduction. So one by one I'll link to the Google Meet. Okay, so everyone give the like a feedback in the chat box. Okay, you can prepare for the self introduction and like some interview questions. It's better to like you can express yourself during the live session. Other candidates also give the some kind of feedback, then you can understand like how you are really capable to tell the your self introduction everything, so that will be better for the before going to the interview. Okay, and also I'll give some suggestions for you regarding upcoming interviews tomorrow, 19th, 20th, 21st. So it will be helpful, so you can just follow our suggestions. I'm giving you every bit of suggestions. If you follow that suggestions, definitely you will get the same repeated questions, and your selection chances also very high compared to other candidates. Okay, because you are joined my channel, so definitely I have responsibility to give the right suggestions and all. Okay, so just a minute, I'll post it in group link in the group. So could you please respond in the chat box? Have you understand the live session process, or should I repeat again? Have you understand the live process pattern? Hello guys, could you please respond in the chat box? Have you understand the live session process? Hello. Could you please respond? Yeah, okay. That's good. I'll share the Google Meet link in the chat box. Then you can join one by one. Okay. After that, I'll give you a chance for 1 minute. Okay, every candidate 1 minute, up to 3 hours. I'll continue this live session. I'll give you 1 minute. You need to you need to give your self introduction. So every candidate will be giving the feedback in the chat box. Okay, so I'm also giving the some feedback. Then if there is any kind of negative things will be there in your self introduction, then you can improve. Okay, otherwise you just maintain that self introduction for the final interview also. Okay, just a minute, I'll share the Google Meet link. Yeah, one by one you can join the Google Meet. I'll take uh, like you can just introduce yourself at least 1 minute, then let's get started this live session. So firstly I can add someone. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Y-
Hello.
yeah, just a minute, just a minute. So one by one, you can introduce yourself. So firstly, Sweta, you just introduce yourself, reminding who are watching in the live YouTube live. You just give the feedback after that this candidate interview, like self introduction. Okay, so you can introduce yourself. But before start the interview, like self introduction, you must respect the interviewer. Okay, you must greet the interviewer first, and after that you need to start with good smile, and you need to dress up good like professional wear for the interview. Don't wear casual. So and also if you are a man, if any boys will be there, you need to dress up like formal dress. That will be better. So yeah, this is the process, and one by one you need to uh, i- give the self introduction. Everyone is giving the that feedback in the YouTube live session, so you can start your self introduction. Okay, I hope you understand.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, then you are Sweta, you can start. You're the first person who started, right?
Good evening, everyone. Um, my name is Shweta. I'm Travalkar. I'm a recent graduate. Recently, here after BTech I want to lead a team in future. Thank you.
Yeah, actually, Sweta, there is so much thanks towards the self-introduction only. So that's not right way to introduce yourself. Okay. Uh, like so firstly you need to introduce yourself with your full name. Okay, so after that, where you are from. Okay, and after that you need to give the brief introduction towards your educational details. Like I have done my graduation in the stream of like information technology or electrical and electronics engineering, like this. Okay, and after that you need to mention with an aggregate of 8.8 CGPA or 7 CGPA or 9 CGPA, like that. And after that you need to tell the sir, I have done my final year major project, like I have done my major project in my final year. So which was like you just mentioned the title. Okay, in that final year project I have learned some interpersonal skills or technical skills. And after that you need to move to the certificate related or else any kind of internship things. And in the end of this in beginning the self introduction, you need to tell the hobbies. And you need to, so that's all about myself, sir. So that's it. Okay, you have to give the chance to the interviewer to ask the questions. Okay, so if you explain everything in the self introduction, so there is a no questions to ask for the interviewer on that time. Interviewer will be why you explain everything in the self introduction, so that some negative feedback chances is very very high. And also while telling the self introduction, like just calm and compose, and you just speak whatever uh, basic things you have done in your life. Okay, so don't mention the weakness or don't mention your strengths and weakness in the self introduction. So suppose during the self introduction, in the end of the self introduction, if you mention strength and weakness, in the next second question starts with the your your last question, like your last answer. So you suppose you are telling the my weakness is something else, so that weakness second question will be started for the interviewer. So why you feel that is a weakness, so like how you overcome that weakness. So if you are not able to tell in a right way, so interviewer will have some bad impression on the first question only after self introduction. So that's why don't mention weakness and strengths in the self introduction. If the interviewer will be asking, then only you can mention, because most of the batch one candidates will be getting the during the interview they are asking strength and weakness. Okay, so if you mention directly in the self introduction, so that's not right way to directly open yourself for the interviewer in the first self introduction. Just they are asking introduce yourself, you just give the some basic things only, don't go for the deep level of concepts in the self introduction. Okay, I hope you understand. Hello.
Thank you for the feedback.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. For this candidate, how much like give some feedback so that the candidate will understand. Is there any kind of feedback for the student side? Okay. Yeah. Anyone, any other candidates give the feedback? Uh, like Shweta, you are don't take personally, but take as a feedback. You just prepare accordingly. Okay, because while telling the self introduction also you are so much fast to complete the this task very quickly, so like that you are telling, so don't do like that. Just maintain some good format: education, certifications, project, internships, hobbies, like this. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yeah, yeah, you can start. What's your good name? Okay, you can start you can start your self introduction, Tariq. I feel it's some short self introduction. If possible, could you please add uh, some other things like have you done any certificate related after graduation? Okay. When was your interview? Like you are the batch one candidate, right? Both, I'm already told you for the rescheduled candidates will get the batch one and batch two, both are on the same interview process. So you can just uh, give your best in the interview. I think batch one and batch two results will be getting the same day, maximum, but let's hope for the best. Which year you were passed out? 2024. Yeah, actually, you need to tell like this year gap after graduation. I'm trying the competitive exams as well as some kind of uh, something else like after competitive exams and internships related things you just mentioned like that. Suppose if the interviewer will be stressing the point like why you wasted the time 1 year this much year like that, on that time you need to cover like due to health issue or else some other things you just mentioned, but don't give the negative responses for the year gap. Okay.
Have halted my onboarding process so that I have taken classes for my juniors. After that, I got
Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good, but yeah, but whatever the answer will be there, must be like genuine. Okay, don't give the some false related. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. It's up to you. But if the gap will be more on the time, better to mention competitive exams. But if you feel bad for that, then you can also mention other things, whatever you have done in this gap. Okay. Yeah. Is there any other candidates? Could you please give me the feedback? Hello.
For a graduation, they will mostly consider graduation, how much knowledge he has for graduation.
Okay. Okay,
Hello.
Tarak. It's okay.
Sir?
Uh, yeah, that's okay. You can add something.
Okay, sir. I'll add some more points to it. Uh, yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. For the interview questions, I have seen that what they're asking what Postman web services, RESTful API. I'm preparing even the technical part also, not to lack on both the sides, keeping
Okay.
balance.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So, guys,
Sir, how
I hope like this candidate interview, like self interview, is understand. So, could you please give me chance to other candidates, Tarak? Everything is good, but you are quickly completed the topic. That's the not right thing, but you need to try to engage the interviewer. Okay, if you engage the interviewer, so interviewer will be feeling like okay, this candidate will be giving some good information, or else good communication skills, like that. Okay, you just engage the interviewer during the interview. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, okay. Other candidates, yeah, yeah, sure, sure, Mohammed, yeah. Yeah, okay, Mohammed, your passed out year is 20. Okay, so this is the first interview you have faced. Okay, so your voice base is like as a commanding to the someone else, so that's not right way. Just pitch down your voice and you just tell to the in a patience, like a calm way or silent way, this is a good thing. Okay, don't raise the too much voice, and also uh, while starting the self introduction you are directly open up with technical skills. That's not the pattern. That's Yeah, first thing was there is a first name, okay. After that you are from, okay, and after that your graduation details, okay, and later you need to go for the project, certifications and courses, and some other like what you have to done like hobbies and all. You just go for the next topics one by one. Okay, suppose if you prepare any other self-introduction format, then you can prepare as per your preferred self-introduction. But you can follow some clear structured self-introduction, so that will be better. Okay. Sorry. What? Yeah, yeah, based on the project. You can watch this live session. I'll ask some previous batch questions, almost 20 to 30 questions. I'll ask one by one, randomly. So you can understand like what is the direct live type of questions you will get. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 Thank you. So any other candidates, if you want, you can start the self introduction. Yeah, 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 you can start. You can start. Okay, okay. There is a long self introduction, brother. Okay. Yeah. Um, it's better to you just note down some important things in the self introduction. So in between, if the interviewer will be asking regarding hacker rank related all this stuff, you just mention later. Okay. Don't put everything in the self introduction. So they don't have some clarity towards the what you have done, what what are the projects and all. So that's why you need to mention later if they ask. Otherwise, you just don't mention. Okay.
Okay, sir. Like I will mention one internship and one project. Is it fine? I have done several internships and projects. Like I have mentioned one internship and one project.
Yeah, yeah. That's only mention major project and then one internship is enough.
Okay, sir. Like anything on communication and all.
Yeah, guys, could you please give me the feedback for this candidate?
Sir, there is no need to inform like the family members are like information. If they ask, then we can say like.
Sorry.
Is my voice audible? Is I'm audible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm saying like that. No need to mention about the family information. If they directly ask, then we can say like. But introduction, we should avoid like sir. Like I think to reduce the time also. Like.
Sorry, brother. Just a minute. Yeah, you can tell what. Hello.
Sir, he told like you no need to mention family member like unless they were asked.
Okay, okay, brother. So, guys, I think everyone is understand the process, right? So, first thing was I'll tell you the pattern. Okay, uh, you need to everyone. Okay, 90% repeated thing was project. Okay, so who are in the meeting or else who are watching in the YouTube. So 90% chances for the project questions. So for example, if the interviewer will be asking 10 questions, okay, if the interviewer will be asking 10 questions, you will get the 5 to 6 questions from the project. Like for example, if actually previously I'll take some free mock interview for the candidate. That candidate have done some project, but they are directly telling the summary of the project, like some definition type or else reading type. That's not right way. Suppose if you done any one project, I'll explain one project that one of the candidate will be completed. That project will be identify the fake URLs. Okay, identify the fake URLs, so that interviewer will be like who are treating you like you are feeling interviewers will be developers or else technical related stuff. They are only HRs. Okay, if the developer will be taking the interview, they don't need any incentives for the interviews. So interviews will be taking for the only HR type. They will get the incentives who are taking the interviews. That is the process for the internally. So they will give the marks for your interview. Like they take a 10 rating. Out of 10 rating, how much you will get the marks? Okay, either 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose in the 10 o'clock slot, 30 members will be attending the interview. The almost one interview will be taking the 10 members. Out of the 10 members, they will be checking mainly communication skills, where you explain your project. Okay, and you have understand the situation based questions. Like some of the interview will be mainly focusing on if you are a team leader, how you handle the team. Okay, suppose if your team members will be not listening your work or else your words, and how you handle them. Okay, suppose if you are getting any kind of issue in the project, how you overcome it. Okay, like this, these are the questions. So for the situational based questions for the project, almost 3 to 4 questions will be comes. On that time you need to answer every question. Okay, if you answer every question, interviewer will be getting the good marks. Like you will get the good interview marks. Okay, even though they will check your communication skills, technical skills, and you will get the final 10 by 10 marks. But the interviewer will be sharing that marks, and also whatever the conversation between you and the interviewer will be happening, that video will be recording, and after the interview, that recording video will be send it to the technical support team. Okay, suppose if the interviewer will be not taking your interview and they wantedly cancel your interview, that time the technical team will be verify is really interviewer will be taking the interview, or else they just wantedly rejected you. Every data will be recording and shared to the technical support team. That's why recently in the 29th December, batch 1 candidates, almost 30 to 40 candidates will be uh, received the cancellation mails. Okay, on that time every candidate will be saying like feeling like I'm not getting a interview again, so my opportunity will be gone. But yesterday, I think one day back, students will be getting the reschedule interviews on the 21st like January 2026. So definitely your interview response, your interviews recording, everything will be sending to the technical team. On that time they will check your communication skills, they will check how many answers you are answered to the interview. So, and also they will consider the interview feedback and they will consider everything, and they will put aside, if you are selected, then they will put aside for your profile, and they will backendly working for the creating background verification links and like a candidature, everything will be backend process will be going on. That process will be take some time. That's why interview results takes some time. Okay, so that is the process. After that, within 14 to 20 working days, you will get the some kind of result if you are selected. Okay, so this is the process will be happening. So don't saying the answers like, sir, I don't know answer, like that. If you answer like that, the recording video will be already available for the technical team. So this candidate will be not answer properly, better to reject it. So like this process will be happening back end, but you need to understand this process, then you need to give the answers in a right way for the interviewer. I hope you understand this back-end process. Is there anyone have doubts regarding this?
Sir, actually, the when we are mentioning about internship and projects, what are the things we have to add? Like we need to explain a full internship, or else only title we have done at which company and project also.
Brother, I'm already told you right regarding this. You just mention just basic title thing. Sir, I have done an internship in a particular organization, or else I have done an internship in a after my graduation. So next move on to my coming to my hobbies and all. And if the in detail, if the interviewer will be asking regarding internship, then only you can mention. Okay, I hope you understand. So I'm asking regarding this backend process is understand for the everyone, or else is there any doubts regarding this?
So one more doubt is we need to explain which projects are the project we have posted in our resume, or else the project after we have done, like we didn't add the project in our resume, like that I'm asking.
Whatever the project you have mentioned in your old resume, because interviewer have your old resume only during the application process. Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, brother Karthik. Yeah.
I have a doubt regarding I have not done a technical internship. So I have worked as a graphic designer. So I wanted to know that I can mention that I worked as a graphic designer during the 6 to 7 months. So can I mention that?
For the year gap, or else something else.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
For the graphic designer, could you please tell me clearly, like after graduation you have done that project, or else in the year of.
I graduated during the November month. So after that, October and sorry. I graduated in September. So I worked for September, October, and November and December. So 4 months I worked as a graphic designer. So I wanted to know that whether I can mention this thing also or not. So whether graphic designer will be considered, or is there any negative?
No, better to don't mention the graphic designer thing. You just mention your major regarding project only. You just mention. If the interviewer will be asking, then only you can give the answer. Okay. If you, if you, sorry,
Okay, okay, got it.
if you expose in the beginning only, the interviewer will be wantedly ask the questions. Okay.
Okay. And also
Yeah.
one more thing, whether they will ask technical questions related to projects or only the theoretical explanation about the project.
No, no, they will ask the technical things also in whatever the programming language you have used in your final year project. So just prepare that technical skills also. Okay.
I wanted to know that
Sorry.
I've used convolutional neural networks, so regarding that also they will ask the deep questions or only just I need to mention the algorithms that I've used.
They will. There is a chances for asking based on the interviewer, but there is a 60% chances basic things. But suppose if the interviewer will be want to know about your project deeply, then they will ask complete project details. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay. Okay. So guys, is there any other candidates wants to doubts regarding interview process? I hope you understand the back end process. Whatever I'm telling the process, you just maintain everything in a right format. Then definitely you are selected. Maybe who are watching this live, like more than 60 members is watching. So definitely 25 members is selected. If everything going good. Yeah.
Hello, hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, brother.
Actually, I have 1 year experience in TCS as a manual test engineer, but after that, I have 2 years career gap. So, how to handle this situation? Like, positively. During this 2 year gap, so I have completed cybersecurity certification and cloud certification. Like, very helpful for that 2 years career gap. Like,
2 years career gap, like after in
after
between, yeah.
yeah, after graduations, I worked for TCS 1 year. So
Okay.
2024, yeah, I resigned from TCS. So exactly worked for 1 year in TCS. So after that, I didn't get any opportunity, like interview calls, any calls. So
Yeah,
that's the
there is a no issue, brother. I just
okay.
tell to the interviewer. I have worked in a TCS company, and later I'm searching for the job. Fortunately, I'm getting this accenture opportunity, so I
Mhm.
just apply for this. Like
Okay,
have cleared the exam, and finally, like I'm attending the interview. So just tell like this. Yeah. There
okay,
is no
and one
problem.
more
There is a
thing,
no
like
problem at all, because in the notification also they clearly mentioned for the experienced candidates for the 24 months, I think.
okay, okay. Uh, but the career gap will impact like some bad or it's
No, no,
good.
no. There is a no problem at all. Even though still many freshers, even 2022 batch also uh, getting the interview mails.
Okay,
So there is a 3 to 4 years of gap for for those batches. So
mhm.
yeah, there is no problem at all. Okay.
Okay,
if
okay,
they give the opportunity to if they give the opportunity for the old batches, how they treat like negative thing, negative format, like because they are only giving the opportunity, right? So no
mhm.
problem at all. You just
Okay,
give your best, and also they are asking regarding like what domain you are work, and also yeah, so many questions they are asking regarding your experience. You must
okay.
have prepare for those topics. Okay.
Okay, okay. And one more thing, like most of the previous batch sets, so mostly the HR will take the technical round, so not from technical team. Is that true?
Everything technical HR, there is a no different interviews in accenture.
Okay,
Only one interview. If you clear the interview, you will get the like congratulations, you are part of accenture family, that kind of mail. That is the interview result. And
okay,
after that background verification and pan card verification and everything will be going cleared. Then you will
okay,
get the offer letter and joining within March. Okay.
okay, okay. And
Yeah.
one more thing, like actually I'm TCS, so I asked my manager, so I'm interested in cybersecurity project, so kindly release me from this project, but they are not ready to release me. But I am keep on asking them, and sometimes in harsh words, like after my resignation, so like I got three calls from internal teams. When I asked my HR, so I will revoke my resignation. So please revoke my offer, but they are not ready to revoke my resignation because of my like rude behavior. It's not rude behavior. I asked genuinely for my cybersecurity project, which I most interested to work. Okay, so we still impact like after getting Accenture job, like they are checking like my behavior inside TCS. They're checking only whether I'm working in TCS or not. Like so whether checking my
No, brother,
overall.
like these politics and all, they are
Uh,
like they don't have that much access. They're bullshit thing. But there is a process for the background verification after getting the Accenture company. So
okay,
first thing, they will check your like you are working in the company or not, and
okay,
after that pay slips, and they will call to the your manager or HR in a, whatever the TCS company, that will
okay.
be the like your help desk will be there, right, in your companies.
Mm-hmm.
So they will maximum they will get the call. Okay, they
Okay,
will check you are working or not in this
oh,
company. So
okay,
they suppose if they want to verify too much deep on that time, they will call to the your manager or HR. Okay,
okay,
so if they give the like they are just asking he is working or not, that's it.
okay. But my HR not working there, but only manager. But
Yeah.
they don't know about myself. So actually 2 years.
No
Yeah.
problem, brother. There is some bullshit for politics. No problem. They,
Mhm. Okay, that's the
yeah,
main thing I have to ask. Okay, it's now clear. Thank you, brother.
yeah. Okay, fine. Is
Actually,
there any other? Is there any other
tomorrow,
candidates have doubts? Sorry.
uh, some other is want to speak.
Okay. Is there anyone, any other candidates have doubts regarding essential interview process and questions? And you can join. You can follow our Instagram page.
So, will they ask any technical questions regarding our skills?
Like based on your project, there is a technical question chances. Have you understand?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, fine.
If
yeah.
you
Hi,
mention Java project, they will be asking like how many lines of codes you are writing, all this stuff. There is a chances if the interviewer will be asking.
Okay.
yeah. Hi, bro. I have one question. Yeah, like right now I'm doing data analytics course. Should I mention data analytics project or like my final year major project?
Final year major project only.
Okay, so like I have skill set on data analytics. Like what skills should I mention? Like whether should I mention like data analytics skills related to like Power BI and something like Excel and then Tableau like that, or like should I mention only the technical skills related to that role?
For what, like major project?
No. It's not like my major project was related to electronics, like it's a VLSI domain. So, like in like introduction, like if they ask like what are the technical skills do you have, miss? Like what should I mention?
Technical skills regarding they bro brother, you are mentioning core project, right? Final year.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you just mentioned, sir, I have done this final year major project as per my stream, and after that, I have learned some software related technologies because I'm so much interested towards the software courses like this. You just mentioned, okay? No
Yeah. Okay,
problem
bro.
at all because
Like my query is like if they ask like what are the skills do you have, miss? Like should I mention my data analytics skills or what?
yeah, you can mention data analytics skills,
Yeah,
but
like uh,
they will
yeah,
ask the
yeah.
questions of for that technology definitely.
Yeah. Like, if they ask like, why do you want to join ASC role? Like, instead of like you're doing already a data analytics course, why you want to go for this role? If they ask me, so what should I tell?
It's so like I'm parallelly looking for the this kind of domain also, but
Hmm.
I can also basic knowledge on this Java programming or full stack related stuff. So I'm adapt the situation, and I can upskill myself, and definitely I'll sustain my position if I am selected this organization. Like this, you just tell. Okay, it's a basic
Yeah,
thing. You can cover
yeah,
the topic. There is a no particular answers for that. Even yeah.
yeah, and also like the one problem that I like uploaded my resume based on data analytics only. Like, is there any problem? So
In your old resume.
yeah, yeah, in like while applying to accenture job, I uploaded like a data analytics resume.
Yeah, no problem, brother. If they suppose the interviewer will be asking, you are mentioning the data analytics project here.
Mm.
You can tell the that project in the interviewer. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
you just prepare for that. These are basic things. Yeah.
yeah,
Is
yeah.
there any
Thank you.
other candidates have doubts regarding?
Yes, I have a small doubt.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, brother.
I completed a final year project in using machine learning and Python language. I don't know fully Python language. I know the basics. My teammates taught me how the work is going on in project.
Yeah.
My primary skill is Java. If the interviewer asks you did the project in Python, why should you mention the primary skill is Java? What should I tell?
You are mentioning your your final year major project in your old resume, Java,
You Python using machine learning
Py,
and Python.
Python, but for
My
for
primary
the
skill is
Java,
Java. Java.
which new resume you are mentioning,
Yes, yes.
new resume they don't have your
No,
new resume.
during the application process also I put a resume only Java.
You can prepare the Java topic only. Don't
Mm.
mention Python.
But in projects I mentioned using Python language.
Yeah, they're just asking difference between Python and Java. Why here you are doing the Python project, but you are here you are mentioning the Java. So you just like note down some difference between all these programming language. In these two programming language, what is your preferred and favorite programming language? They ask, and that's it. Simple. You just prepare.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Can I have some of your time?
Yeah, yeah, brother. Yeah,
Yes,
brother.
I'm currently in my third year, and I have also completed up to communication assignment and waiting for the interview slot, date, and time. So I just wanted.
You are summer internship candidate, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I was
Okay.
asking that the interview will be the same level of for freshers and interns for as well.
It's dead easy. I think for the summer internship candidates, you have done fourth certificate, right?
Sorry, sir.
Forgive certificate. I think some certificate related thing will be there for the summer internship candidates.
Yeah, we did have to complete a Go for Gold contest, and we did
Yeah,
complete it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. There is a one pre-placement talk also completed for your batch summer
Okay.
internship candidates.
So, sir, my interview slot and date time has not been come yet.
Brother, interviews is going on for the off-campus candidates. You are also getting the interview. Okay, you can prepare the interview. Don't wait for the interview mail. You just prepare for the interview. But whatever you are learn in the your program, internship program, that skill set only they will ask. Okay, you are a third year candidate, so that internship candidates have separate interviews for the one panel. Okay, so don't be panic. This is completely ASC for the off-campus candidates, full-time opportunity. You are the summer internship. Okay.
Fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Bye. Is there any other candidates have doubts regarding? Will they hire experienced people? Definitely 0 to 2 years, or else they give preference only freshers. No, brother. They will give the more priority for the experience because they have experience already.
Sir, will interviewer ask for resume to share, or they have already whatever we
Yeah,
submit?
your old resume already with the interviewer.
Okay, okay, sir.
Even your email ID, your candidature, everything they have Suppose if they ask what's your full name, they will check your full name also, and before entering the interview they will ask your identity related stuff also.
Yeah.
Some of the interview will be not asking, but some of the interview will be asking your identity card, pan card, or else Aadhaar card, whatever it is, for the proof. So they have all details, so you must give the genuine details only. Okay. Hello.
Sir,
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
sir, in my resume, I have three projects. Should I prepare three projects thoroughly, or should I prepare one project?
Only one project. If the interviewer will be asking, suppose if you can feel I'm the interviewer, I'm asking, hi Rishik, you just could you please explain your final year major project? You just give the direct one answer. Don't give the sir I'm dying, I'm done three projects. Like I'm doing I'm preparing for the project for the minor major, like this. You don't tell direct, only one answer. Just give the major project, that is the answer. Okay. Don't tell the interviewer for the 2 to 3 projects. If you tell like this, they feel you are not giving the proper correct answer. Okay.
Okay, sir,
Just
but I have conflict.
confidently you can give the only one project. Okay.
Okay, sir, but in my resume, I have one Pega project, sir. It is automation tool, like Salesforce. Can I
Yeah,
explain
brother.
Pega project or a MI project? I have
See, yeah, you are doing the major project as a Pega project, right?
no, sir.
You
Major
just
project is ML project.
then you can mention you can mention that project.
Okay, sir. If they ask about Pega project because it is automation tool, no, sir. It is apart from academics, no, sir. So what should I do now? I don't have experience in Pega actually, but I mentioned in a resume, sir.
Actually, interviewer will be asking questions from your resume, but don't feel that much negative questions you will get, but they will ask only basic related stuff. So if already interviewer will be listening your one project, they don't even interested to listen another project, because only for one candidate only 10 to 20 minutes of interview will be happening. Okay. in
Okay,
20
sir.
in 20 minutes they don't even interest to listen your complete stuff. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yeah. So guys, if anyone have any other doubts?
Yeah, bro. So can I ask?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I want to know like how the selection process will go. It's based on the final interview. It's based on the first three rounds which we have completed earlier.
Final interview, brother. You can
Then
see games round is elimination. After games round elimination, next there is a technical MCQs and pseudo codes, everything will be there. And after this eligibility, you will get the coding session, HTML, CSS, and after clearing this, communication. So every process, step by step process is elimination, and you will get the quick result also. So that complete high pro exam platform process will be completed. So now final step is only interview, performance, result, everything will be completely for your interview performance only. Okay. I hope you understand the
okay.
practical
Yeah, yeah,
process.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So it's based on the interview and based on the luck also that which we are
Yeah,
going
yeah,
for interview on that day.
yeah. That's
Yeah,
good. That's the process. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Thank you, bro. I want to ask another question. If they are asking 10 questions out of how many answers I should give correctly for the qualification.
Maybe 8 to 9.
Oh, okay.
Because
Thank you, bro.
competition more than 5,000 to 10,000 members will be there all
Yeah,
over
yeah.
the India. Even many candidates still waiting for the reschedule interviews, reschedule exams. So they have some cutoff will be there for the interview. So they must If you give the 10 by 10 answers with good communication skills, then high chances for selection.
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah,
interview mode will be, if you give 10 by 10 questions also, they wantedly rejected for the candidates.
yeah, yeah. It's like based on luck.
Based on luck sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, bro. Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. Is there anyone have any other doubts?
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
bro.
Sorry.
Hi, bro.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
I have one doubt. So, in previous base, some mentor ask 4 to 5 questions, and some mentor ask more than 20 plus questions. Like, how they like select candidates based on questions. So, different interviewer asks different questions. Like, how they select.
I'm
Like, if you are
already,
answering, and one more
yeah, I'm
question, like,
already told you, right, like process. Firstly, they are divided three parts. Communication, like candidate behavior is completely for the interviewer mood. Okay, as per the interviewer mood, they are giving the candidate behavior, or else uh, for behavioral type of marks. And coming to the two things will be, technical team will be verifying, that will be how many questions interviewer will be asking and how many answers in the candidate will be saying. That is the one cutoff. Okay, and the third cutoff is completely some kind of your explanation, or else whatever the answers, way of your answers explanation, everything they will consider. Okay, so this is the three types of cutoffs will be there.
okay, bro. And one more
But
question, like,
sometimes interviewer will be asking only five questions. They wantedly selected you. That time they will ask only simple questions, like how, like in the breakfast, what you eat, uh, and also whatever the college days, how you enjoy your college days, like this.
okay. And one more
Yeah.
question, for situation-based questions, so different people have different thoughts. Like how they justify this answer is correct or this answer is wrong.
There is a no justified answers like that. But see, I have a one thought. As per my communication skills, I'm expressing myself for that question. So like this, you can express. If the interview will be okay, that's you will get the good selection marks. Okay, so that's completely based on your explanation and interviewer impression. Both are very important for the selection. Okay.
Okay, okay, bro.
Yeah, yeah. There is a no particular answers for that behavioral questions. As per the candidate communication skills, they will get the this selection.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, brother.
Sir, in my fourth year, I have done a project on A and ML based, sir. In my project, I have used Python related framework, sir. I don't have any idea about it. I completely used ChatGPT during that time. But I am from Java full stack background, sir. And I mentioned related to that skills in my resume, sir. If they ask intentionally about my project, what can I tell them, sir?
Uh, you just mention your final year project firstly.
Okay.
If they ask regarding any other kind of why you mention this project like this, you just mention like, sir, in a minor project I have do it myself. I am preparing this project like this. You just mention. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you understand?
No, sir. Did not
Uh,
get.
that like, you can ask me in one line, like what your doubt.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, I have done a project in my fourth year, but I don't have any knowledge about it, sir. And I did not mention it in my resume also. If they
then
ask,
then then whatever the project you have mentioned in your resume, you can learn that project only.
okay, sir.
Yeah, without mentioning your final year project in your resume, how you can say in your final year project?
If they
That's
ask
not.
intentionally explain about your fourth year project, sir, then I can
You
simply.
you can mention like this is the my final year project.
Okay.
They don't know, right? They
Yes,
don't
sir.
know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So guys, I hope you everyone is
Sir,
clear the
sir,
doubts.
I have done.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Pangas. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I'm currently a part of Infosys in a Springboard internship program. So, should I mention that in my introduction or not?
Currently, you are doing the
Because I
internship.
haven't mentioned in my resume.
Currently, you are doing the internship.
Yeah, Springboard internship.
Yeah. Then don't mention. Okay.
Because I haven't mentioned it on my resume. So yeah, what I
Yeah.
do?
No. Yeah. Don't mention.
Okay, okay,
If you
thank you.
mention you are already doing the internship, then how you suppose if you are selected and how you get join this company like this, and also some negative questions will be raised for the interviewer. You are already in one organization, again you want to join the organization, so that some negative impression will be there. So don't mention I'm doing this particular internship currently, like that. Currently, I am
Oh,
looking for the job. That is the your
okay,
main aim to showcase to the interviewer. That time, interviewer will be chances for selection. Okay.
okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah, brother.
sir, tomorrow morning 11:30 slot I have an interview, sir. So should I tell my introduction? Based on your feedback, I will get a motivation or something
Oh,
confidence.
okay. And also here, your microphone will be resound. Okay, some kind of sound. Okay, so just check your microphone for the final interview, because interviewer will be getting some like frustrated if
Sir, I am attending on phone, sir. I am on the field.
okay, okay, okay,
Can I introduce?
okay. You can introduce yourself. What's your good name?
Dhanamreddy Srinu, sir.
Okay, you can introduce your name. You can introduce yourself.
Okay. Good evening, sir. My name is Dhanamreddy Srinu. I have completed my graduation in, in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering from Prasad V. Potluri Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Vijayawada, with the aggregation of CGPA 8.55. I have strong foundations on Java, object-oriented programming, and computer networks. Along with this, I have basic knowledge on Python, HTML, and CSS. I have worked on projects such as real-time violence detection system using Python, OLO, and CNN, and a bank application system using Core Java, and food ordering website using HTML and CSS. These projects help me to gain hands-on experiences and real-world problem solving. I enjoy learning new things and continuous improving my technical skills. I think I consider myself as a good team player and self-motivated. I am eager to start my professional career. Thank you.
Okay, brother, but it's like it's not good self introduction. See, 8.55 is the some kind of like weird thing. That's not a professional thing. So
Yes,
you
sir.
just practice your self introduction, and also while telling the self introduction, suppose if you are a not that much good at communication skills, you just like like whatever the pitch. Okay, there is a pitch, right? Like you have so much louder you are saying the self introduction, you just keep down your voice pitch, then you can tell good afternoon, sir. My name is Dhanam Reddy Srinu. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation uh, in a particular like college, or else whatever it is like you just mentioned. And after that I just mentioned I have done my final year major project. uh, then that project name you just mentioned. Okay, and in that project I have learned some kind of technical and interpersonal skills. so that after that I have done some courses regarding this Java or else Python related stuff. And after that you just mention is if you have done any internship or certification related, or else any kind of some workshops related stuff, then you can mention. Then you can mention hobbies, and you can say, sir, that's all about myself. That's, you can give me the some sweet and butter related self introduction. Because if you speak louder, interviewer will be having, interviewer already having some headphones, or else some interviewers will be not putting the headphones. So they, if they get the resound or else pitch louder, so that means commanding to the or else that's not right way to tell the self introduction. So
Okay, sir.
yeah, just hold your breathe and tell me silent way, okay, calm way. Then interviewer will have clear understand what you have to done in your life till now, okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
So that's the feedback. So you just improve your communication skills. There is a free app in the Play Store and App Store, AI related app. So that is a just a free app. Then you can practice with that AI. Then definitely it will be helpful to improve your communication skills. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, in my old resume, I am not mentioned any project. If they ask why you don't mention your project in resume, then what I will say, sir?
Bro, how you got selected?
Sorry. Someone will be saying how you selected. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In your,
Hello.
sorry. Once again, repeat what you have. Repeat.
Sir, in my old resume, I am not mentioned any project. If they ask why you don't mention your project in resume, then what I will say, sir?
You don't even mention the project.
Yes, sir. By mistake, I upload that whole resume.
Actually, suppose if the interviewer will be asking that question to you,
Okay, sir.
uh, there is a negative sign. Okay, so don't think for the negative way. You just if they ask the final year major project, you just tell the your final year major project to the interviewer. Okay, after telling after telling your project, interviewer will be asking only one question. If the interviewer will be watching your resume, then they will ask, okay, why do you not mention in this project in your resume? Suppose if the interviewer will be, sometimes interviewer will be not seeing a resume and directly they ask the questions. So on that time there is a luck. But if they watch your resume, they definitely ask you regarding the project question. On that time you just cover as per your wish. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, all the best.
Sir, what are the apps, sir, to practice the interview?
Sorry?
So can you please tell me what are the apps to practice the interview?
It's not for the it's not for the like it's for the communication related stuff. There is a no particular app for the accenture interview practice, but it's completely AI related stuff. I'll tell you just a minute. Just in the iPhone candidates, my SIVI ఉంటుంది. CV, my CV is an app. You can directly uh, like uh, like as a communicator, like you can call to the AI. So hello AI, could you please give me some right self introduction? I'll tell to the self introduction. You can tell to the self introduction to the that CV. Then AI will be asking the questions. Could you please correct this self introduction? Could you please maintain this professional words for the interview? So everything they will guide you. For the beginning, I think 3 rupees they will take, and after 1 month they will take 230 rupees. But you just take give the 3 rupees and you can take that CV app. They will be available in the App Store, and I don't know Play Store. In the Play Store, they that will be available or not. But in the App Store, they that will be available. Yeah.
What's the name of app?
My CV. Just a minute. I'll
Okay.
my SIVI.
Sir, how much time should the self-internship be, sir?
Sorry.
How much time the self-introduction?
It's up to you. If you engage with the 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, that's good.
So can I tell my self-intro?
Yeah, you are summer internship candidate. Hello,
Yes, sir.
you are summer internship candidate.
No, sir, no.
ASC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Nikita. I'm a recent graduate from MLR Institute of Technology in the branch of Computer Science and Engineering. During my academics, I have developed a strong foundation in the skills which enhanced in showing up in my projects and applications. I have worked on academic projects including a secure path women's safety Android application, where the focus was on providing quick emergency support. I've also completed a virtual internship with Accenture North America, where I worked on data analysis and visualization tasks, such as cleaning the datasets, identifying trends, and deriving the business insights. My key strengths are that I'm a quick learner, adaptable, and committed to the delivering quality work. In terms of career goals, my short-term goal is to get a secure job in a reputed organization where I can apply my skills and grow professionally. And my long term goal is to take on higher responsibilities and contribute meaningfully to the organization's success. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Okay. So short-term goal, long-term goal, it's not necessary, but if you want, you can mention. Okay. Because some of the interviews will be asking during the interview, like, okay, Nikita, what is your short-term goal in your life? Like this, they will ask. Suppose if you already tell in your self-introduction, the two important simple questions will be missing for the during the interview. Okay.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
Because if the interviewer will be asking the 11 questions, definitely you can give the chance to the interviewer. They are asking some easy questions for you. Okay, that time you have easily answered that question. Suppose if you already tell in the self introduction, they will be asking different things. So that's why it's better to end with the hobbies and all. So if you want, you can mention as per your wish. Yeah.
Yeah, fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So guys, I hope
So
everyone
can I
is.
introduce myself?
Yeah, you can, Nazir.
Yeah. Good evening, sir, and thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nazir. I am from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I belong to a nuclear family where my family been very supportive to throughout my academics and career growth. About my academics, I have recently completed my Bachelor of Technology in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and with the CGP of 9.01 from KL University. I am hardworking, honest, and self-motivated person. I can work well in a part of team, and I believe in discipline, punctuality, and about my projects. In throughout my academics, I had developed my knowledge in Python and SQL. Through this technical and core knowledge, I have developed a project named as pneumonia classification and detection with the convolutional neural network. And my hobbies are I enjoy listening to the music, reading the books, and learning new things. With these hobbies, I get an refreshment and learning new things. And I think with this skill set, I'll be um, strong fit for this role. And that's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Guys, could you please give me the feedback for this candidate so he will understand? I can also give you after your feedback. Hello, hello.
Actually, my point of view, so don't tell about your family's self intro. This is my point of view. Initially, you tell me about your family before your academics, before your projects. So I think this is not good way. This is my point of view.
Yeah, sure, not a problem.
Actually, your self introduction is not up to the mark. For the mainly, you are not attending the other companies. If you are attending the accenture company, you must have good self introduction, good communication skills. In between the self introduction, also you are somewhere gap between the education or whatever it is. So you must practice thoroughly in front of the mirror. Even though you are mentioning nuclear family, all this stuff, there is a no need to like for your information to the interviewer. Interviewer will be knowing about your like your name, you are from, and your educational background, your project, and whatever you are done in your academics or else after graduation, either certificates or internship. Okay, suppose if you don't done any kind of certificates or internships, like I'm very much strong knowledge in the particular programming language, you just mention like that and give the hobbies and you can end the interview. Okay, you can end the self
Yeah,
introduction.
thank you, sir.
Okay, but
Okay.
you are so
Yeah,
much
yeah,
tension, and also you are stuck in between the topic to topic. Okay, you just practice
yeah.
thoroughly, not up to the mark. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, can you mention internship experience on self-introduction during self-introduction?
Don't say like I have an internship experience. You just say like I have done an internship. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a
Sir,
question.
can I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah. You can introduce.
Good evening, sir. My name is Gangari Liladhar. I am from Tirupati. It's a place famous for temple. I have completed my graduation in Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Tirupati, with aggregate of 75%, and I have done my class 12 in Tirupati itself. I have basic knowledge on Python, C, and OOPS concepts. And my achievements so far, I have completed one major and one minor project, and I have published one research paper, and also worked as a event coordinator during my undergraduation, which helped me really to improve my communication skills. These are my achievements. I can proudly say that achievements made me stand out an unknown person to a well-known person in my association. And my hobbies are maintaining mental and physical fitness, and last but not least, I love listening music to get out from the stress. That's all about me, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Okay. Have you followed the pattern like whatever the we are telling?
No, sir.
In the
I
beginning, you
have
are telling. In the beginning, you are telling for the famous temple like this. So that's not right way. You just tell your name and you just tell you are from. That's it. Okay.
okay, okay,
Uh,
sir.
if you mention your that is the famous temple, they have you can give the chance to. Okay, where is this college? How where you study like this? If they ask interview, then only you can mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Still any
Okay.
other
Uh, you can
comments in
uh,
introduction, sir?
you can prepare this pattern. Your name, you are from, your graduation, your percentage, and your major project, your certificate, or else your courses, any kind of other courses or certificate, and
And my
also
hobbies.
in internship and hobbies. That's it. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Simple and clear. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So guys,
Sir, I have
Sir,
a question.
interview panel, sir. Microsoft Teams or any other panel?
Microsoft Teams. In the batch one, Teams will be happening. So yeah,
Okay,
Microsoft Teams only.
okay, sir.
I hope everyone is clear the live session. I'll share the uh, I'll share the today remaining interview questions for the batch one experiences. Everyone follow the Instagram page. There is a job alert updates. I'll share the link in WhatsApp and also Google Meet. It's better
Sir,
to
I have a
follow.
question. Sir,
Yeah.
hello.
Tell me, brother. Tell me,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
What
Sir,
question?
I have a career gap, and I took the CDEC exam during this gap. So I got a good rank, and I was admitted to Mumbai Kharghar for a DBDA course. But I had to leave due to some health issues. So should I tell this on interview or not?
No, brother. Ante, if it is a negative sign, will be there in that thing, but don't mention. If it is a positive way, then you can mention. Okay.
Okay.
Like suppose it will be effect for your interview, then you can don't mention. Suppose it will be like a good positive thing will be happening, then only you can mention. It's based
Okay.
on your situation. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, brother.
sir, during my academic, I have done two projects, sir. Sir, if they ask only tell this only project or tell any one project during
Only
my
major project, brother. Since live session only, I am telling same thing. Only one like major project.
okay means I can prepare only for major project.
Yeah, major project only.
Okay, sir.
So all the best, guys. Prepare well for the interview. I'll share the experiences in the Instagram page. Follow the Instagram page. So all the best. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.